Hello, this is Janvi, and I'm going to show the demo of the Cooja Simulator of how I ran it and how the light and the temperature sensors are working, and also the output can be seen in a window, and also the network and the timeline of the mode output will be shown. So under the computer section, we enter into the OPT first, then into the TinyOS main and apps. So here I created a folder named Lab 3, and from this I am opening a terminal for running this command make telos-b, which will compile the code and give us the executable file. So I'm running make telos-b here, and as you can see there are no errors and the code has been successfully compiled. So I'm going back again to the file. Let's go to the OPT and let's enter into the Cooja folder. From here, I open another terminal and I run the command and run for running the Cooja Simulator. So now here we see the Cooja Simulator, and here I'm going to create a new simulation, and it will be named as my simulation 1, and I'm creating the new simulation. So here you can see the network where the modes can be seen, and here it's the simulation control window, and here it's the mode output window, and at the bottom we have the timeline. So here I'm creating the add modes type, create mode type, and I'm selecting the type as sky mode, and I'm naming it as sky mode type 1. So here we need to copy the path of the executable file, which was created during the compilation of the code using the command make telos-b. So I'm browsing it here. It will be inside the OPT, TinyOS main, apps, and inside the lab 3 folder. This build folder has been created after compiling the code. So telos-b, and this is the executable file main.exe, and I'm selecting this and I'm creating the mode. So here it asks for number of new modes, and I'm selecting it as 2, as we have two sensors, light and temperature. Add modes. So here we can see the network, and I'm setting the speed limit as 100%. I'm starting the simulation control, and you can expect the output here in the mode output window. Let's pause it and analyze the mode output. So here we can see at first the light intensity data has been recorded and is sent to the sensor 1, that is the ID1, mode ID1. Then it has been sending to the sensor 2, and the message says sensor 2 received the light intensity. And then again, as the code has been written in such a way that the light intensity will be recorded for every 1 second, that is 1000 milliseconds, and the temperature will be recorded for every 2 seconds. So here we can see it was first recorded at 6 seconds, and the next one it was recorded at 8 seconds, and the next one was recorded at 10 seconds. Similarly, the light intensity has been recorded for every 1 second, that is 1000 milliseconds. Here it was recorded 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then 9, and so on. So this is how I ran the Cooja Simulator for simulating the light and temperature sensors. First, the data will be sent to the sensor ID1, that is mode ID1, and then it will be transferred to mode ID2. It can be seen here, and also we can observe here, like it has been transferring from 1 to 2. And let's pause it one more time. And also we can observe on the timeline showing 2 modes. Yeah. Here we can now observe these two colored lines on the two modes. We can zoom it and do that one. Here it shows this is a mode 2, sky mode 2, and it shows the radio receiving from 140.111, and this is the one which sees the data packages are being sent, and it says that the data packets has been received. So this is how the Cooja Simulator works as per the programming assignment, where the light will be recorded for every 1 second and the temperature will be recorded for every 2 seconds. Thank you.